What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Knife Life VDC. I kind of jumped on the Miguron bandwagon and got me my very first Miguron knife. It wasn't exactly my first choice, but my first choice was like $180, something like that. It was the Miguron Carex 2. I was going to get it, but I decided to go for a more budget-friendly one for right now, just to see how much I like the brand and everything like that. Then if I liked it, I was going to go on from there. It was kind of funny because as soon as I decided not to get it and bought this, another guy from another channel actually got it, did a video over it because he had just received it and he loved it, and now I'm kind of bummed I didn't get it, but I guess this is going to be a good start. I can't remember, I think it was G-Ball Vision. I don't know if you guys have seen him. Good channel, go check him out, subscribe and everything. He's got pretty good stuff on there. This is going to be the Pegos, Miguron Pego. I don't know if it's Pego or Pegas. I thought Pegos was... I thought I saw Pegos, but that says Pego. So, just a little card about this little information, cleaning, maintenance, precautions, basic stuff pretty much. So that's kind of cool. They do have their like a little QC pass. Hopefully that means, you know, that they checked it all out. Obviously, hopefully they wouldn't just put that on there for no reason. So hopefully I'm not going to have any issues at all. We'll find out though. But I've been hearing a lot about Miguron and like how they make just great knives. I don't think I've heard a bad thing about them, and that's why I was kind of curious to check them out and everything. Again, this is the Pegos. I wanted it primarily also because it's a front flipper. I've really been into front flippers lately. I've got a couple. I got a Kubi Royal also. I haven't had that out in a while, but I would say this is my real first carry one I've had, and I absolutely love this. Is the Kunwu S Tao. Yeah, Kunwu S Tao. You can't go wrong with that. Like I love that knife. I've carried it a lot lately. And that's why I kind of got this, because I wanted a front flipper. Oh, excuse me, like I guess another front flipper, because I've already got that one. But pretty good action. I didn't know how hard it would be, because if you look, I didn't know if that was going to be a problem flipping it open, because I kind of like the little flipper tab a little bit sticking out. Obviously, you can tell right here it's not quite like the Kunwu, but honestly, I guess I'm having some problems. But no, that's not too bad though. It made it seem more broke in too also, but it's not, the texturing right there, the jimping isn't too bad. Like I do get my thumb on there, I can feel it and everything, and it's not too aggressive, but it's aggressive enough to flip it and everything. So the action's not bad. That felt pretty good, like flipping open. I haven't had any problem with it except for this a few times, but I think this might be broken a little bit. Yeah, not too bad. Let's try the thumb studs again. I tried it once and did the reverse flip. Shoot. It flips open pretty nice. I like that. No real problems. I do like the front flipper better. I don't know why I like doing that. Like I'm a real fidget person. I really like fidgeting one like that. I guess when it comes to opening. Another thing I really liked was that it came with a titanium pocket clip. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's a cool little touch. I don't know what color you would say that is. It's like a bluish. Honestly, after seeing the box, it kind of looks... Yep, well, I would say it's kind of like a blue titanium type color. It's got a little something right there. I don't know what that is. I don't know if this is like a anodized. I don't know. I'll have to check into that. I don't know what that is. But it's kind of another blue color. So it's got a few different colors on there. It's kind of... I don't know. I didn't know that was... Actually, I didn't know that was on there. I didn't know that was kind of a blue. It looked more silver in the picture I saw. But, probably the light of the picture, like, the lighting they were using, I probably couldn't tell because of that. But it's blue. It's not bad, though. Like, just different colors in the light. Feels good in your hand. I really don't have a problem with it. I have a smaller hand, so again, I fit all four of my fingers on there with a little bit of extra room, so I don't think you're going to have any problem there. Yeah, I don't think anybody's going to have really any problems flipping this, like front flipping it. It's going to be pretty easy, I think, for most people. It is a liner lock. It is kind of skeletonized on the inside. Yeah, there you go. So you guys kind of see it right there. So it's not too heavy. It's really not real bulky either. It's pretty good weight. Let's kind of get some comparisons real quick for you. Like, here's the Kaiser drop bear. See, there you go. Not bad. This is the Praxis. I don't know why. This is one of my big one that I kind of go for when I want to compare knives. So obviously, it's a larger knife, so you can kind of see the size right there. Not bad. It's a good little budget-friendly knife. I like that. Not overly big and everything, too. So, like I said, it feels pretty good in my hand and everything. Thumb studs don't feel too bad. Kind of odd looking. There you go. See, it's. I don't know, they're kind of odd. I don't know, not bad though. They work. They work pretty well. I don't have any problems with slipping off of it or anything like that. It opens up real smooth and easy. Detent's not. Let's check the detent. Detent's not too bad. I do like that pocket clip. The more and more, I like the titanium pocket clips. They're just obviously more expensive, but not too bad. I like the way it looks, and it is cool that it is ambidextrous. I really like that logo right there too. I think that's pretty cool. I like the way that looks. And I do like that there's nothing on the blade except for the steel right there. So it is a 14C 28N. That's the more of the steel I kind of like to use right now for like budget stuff or like work stuff. I was a real big fan of D2 for the longest time, and I still do like D2, but I've been buying more knives in the 14C for some reason. It's just I gravitate more towards them. I think more and more knives are becoming that. Blade feels pretty sharp. The jimping, I wish I had more jimping out there though. That's something I kind of wish was a little different. Oh, I didn't realize there's no lanyard hole on it. So for the lanyard hole people, obviously you're going to be out of luck right there. Got kind of a nice little backspacer right there. It's got G10 scales. Not bad. Like they're kind of slippery-ish, I guess. I think it's because of all the oil and everything from the package. But I don't feel bad though for even having the oil on there. I don't feel like I'm going to slip or anything. It feels pretty good. Yeah, I don't think it's a bad knife at all. I think it's a great budget blade. I think I bought it for $50. 50, I think, something around there, give or take. But I kind of like it. I'm going to give it a try out because I do like the front flipper on it. Smaller than like the Kunwu, but I'm not having any problems now with it. So, but yeah, if you guys like the knife, or have a question about it, just leave a comment. If you guys like the video, obviously, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe. But if you have any questions, again, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.